Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs showing off another Krietz Customs build. This one is just a little subtle change compared to our 6 inches that we usually do. I have a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT and we're going to take a look at the specs of what we did. The leveling kit we did on this truck is only a 2.5 inch rough country spacer. We wanted to make a subtle change, so we just raised the front to match the back. The wheel and tire package is going to be a fuel Maverick. The size is a 20x9 with a +1 offset. This one is a gloss black and milled, and it does have a little bit of a lip compared to our 20x10s with our -44 offset. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 33/11/50/20, so definitely still that aggressive tire, but it's going to be a little bit smaller to fit underneath that 2.5 inch kit. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KriettzAuto.com. The stock number is F21321. I messed that one up, I'm pretty sure, so the disclaimer is going to be at the bottom with the correct stock number. And if you guys want to check out our lifted inventory or have any questions about fitment, go to our Facebook page at Krietz Customs. F29321. I'm pretty sure that's the stock number. F29231. F29231. So make sure you check that out at KriettzAuto.com.